Imagine dedicating 90 days to transforming your mind, body, and life. What if for 3 months, you cut out all the distractions, dialed in on your goals, and unlocked your true potential? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today, the Ultimate Monk Mode Challenge. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm about to take you through the exact blueprint to mastering the Monk Mode 90-Day Challenge for self-improvement. If you're ready to level up your discipline, mindset, and daily habits, stay locked in because this is the ultimate path to becoming the best version of you. Alright, first off, what is Monk Mode? Monk Mode is a focused, intentional way of living that cuts out distractions and builds core habits that promote mental, physical, and emotional growth. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your life. For 90 days, you're laser-focused on discipline, eliminating the noise, and upgrading yourself every single day. But here's the deal. Monk Mode is not easy. There are 3 essential pillars that you have to stick to, or else you won't see the results. Let's break those down. First and most important, discipline. For the next 90 days, you're going to remove all the distractions that hold you back. Social media scrolling, gone. Binge watching Netflix, gone. Time-wasting apps, out. Monk Mode is all about creating space for the things that matter most, your personal growth. Replace those distractions with meaningful habits like reading, learning new skills, and focusing on your goals. It's tough at first, but trust me, when you shut out the noise, you unlock insane levels of productivity. Next up is routine. You're going to create a powerful daily routine and stick to it. This is where you'll build discipline like a monk. Here's what that looks like. Wake up early, no snoozing. Meditate 10 to 15 minutes. Journaling and setting intentions for the day. Exercise, strength training, cardio, or yoga. Cold shower. Get ready to wake up like never before. That morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. It's all about controlling your mornings so you can control your life. 2 to 3 hours of deep, focused work, no distractions. Personal development. Read for 30 to 60 minutes. Eat clean, whole foods. Your fuel matters. Your daily work sessions should be distraction-free, laser-focused blocks of time. This is where the real magic happens. You're investing in you. Evening journaling. Reflect on your wins and challenges. A digital detox. No screens after 7 p.m. A read before bed and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Before bed, reflect on the day, what you achieved, what you struggled with, and how you can improve tomorrow. And seriously, no screens. Trust me, it's a game changer for your sleep and mental clarity. The last pillar is all about mindset. Monk Mode is as much mental as it is physical. You'll face discomfort, and that's where growth happens. You want to quit at times, but remember, this challenge is about breaking through your limits. The struggle is where you'll find your strength. Practice gratitude, stay mindful, and always keep your long-term vision in focus. You're not just doing this for today, you're doing it to set the foundation for a lifetime of growth. How to track your progress. Now, how do you make sure you're staying on track? Simple. Every week, take some time to reflect and check in on your progress. Am I staying disciplined with my routine? Have I eliminated distractions this week? What progress have I made toward my goals? What did I learn this week that helped me grow? By the end of this challenge, you'll be amazed at how much you've accomplished just by staying disciplined and consistent. Small wins every day lead to massive results. So, there you have it, 90 days of intense focus, discipline, and self-improvement. Monk Mode is about so much more than just cutting distractions. It's about realizing your true potential by staying committed to a purpose. The journey isn't easy, but the transformation is real. Are you ready to take on the challenge? If so, let me know in the comments. What are you committing to for the next 90 days? I'm excited to see you unlock your next level. Subscribe and join the challenge. Let's level up together. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more self-improvement content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future challenges. Let's crush the next 90 days and become the best versions of ourselves together.